So hi everyone, this is Krishna in front of you. So today I'm going to do another lead code problem on a different level of the problem is going to be in medium. So the question is find all duplicates in an array. Okay, so the question is given an integer array nums of length n, where all the integers of nums are in the range of 1 to n, and each integer appears once or twice, and return an array of all the integers that appears twice. You must write an algorithm that runs in big of n time and uses only the constant extra space. Okay, so let's understand the question with the example. So as you can see here, in the array there are two elements, one or two, one, two, or three, which comes twice, which appears twice in that array. So we have to return only those elements which appear twice in the array, and we have to add those elements into an array list, and then we have to return the array list. So as simple as I told. So because as we have to return an array list, so the first thing that we'll made an array list, and the name of the array is going to be in the result, and then we made a hash map to count the frequencies. Okay, those elements which have the which to finding the elements which have frequencies going to be two or twice. So for that reason, what I did, for x int x is nums, then map dot put x comma map dot get dot default x comma 0 plus 1. So what is this? So this is what when we are adding two. Let's suppose there is four. In the beginning there is a hash map is an empty. But once means get or default means we are not finding anything. Then we'll simply add those elements with giving the frequency of 1. And after that, if the elements is already occur in that element, then we'll increase that frequency by plus 1. Okay, so this is the main motto. So by doing this in the hashmap proto will store all those elements with the frequency 1, but the 2 and 3 are the only elements which are appeared twice in the array. So in the hashmap, when we are storing them, so 2 and 3 are the keys that they have a value is 2, means the value of that 2 key is going to be 2, and the value of 3 key is going to be 3, is going to be 2, sorry. So we had made an hash map as I told, and we'll insert all the key value pairs. We made the key value pairs of the array, and now in ch means I'm taking here an element map dot key set, and if map dot get ch is going to be equals to 2. So now it's time to access those elements which have the frequency 2. So for accessing those elements, what we'll do, we'll use a dot get method. Okay. So map dot get method equals to 2, and then we'll simply add those elements into an array list. Now, and how we add those elements? List result dot add, result is the name of the array list, and dot add method to add those elements into an array list. On ch there is an element. Okay, and we are using here a every loop for each loop. So here we are taking the value, not an index. Okay, so simply I add here a ch, and then after we'll return an array list, and then we find what we want. As you can see, we had passes all the test cases, and now it's time to submit. So yeah, we had submitted the question. So this is only for today, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.